Imagine watching scary YouTube videos, which are actually not that scary, in the middle of the night and then getting spooked to the point that you almost cross over to the other side. This happened to me almost a year ago, but before I tell you that story, hello and welcome to a new video. I am Drawfishan and I am back after a whole year of absence from YouTube. Today I am using this image of Audrey Hepburn to loosely paint this painting. I was not trying to make the exact replica of the reference image, as I was trying to make a semi-realistic painting without using too many brain cells. So this is a semi-realistic take on the reference, but maybe next time I would try to paint Audrey Hepburn the way she is. Anyway, let's get on with the story. So almost 2 to 3 years ago, I developed the habit to watch crime videos, paranormal videos and pimple popping videos. Yes, I am one of those. It helps with the anxiety, okay? Anyway, so I found this channel that would have paranormal videos like up to 1 hour or more, and I would just listen to those until I felt that it was too late and I should probably sleep. These videos were not scary, but as they would pile up on one another, I would start to become uneasy. So much so that even with the headphones on, I would be hyper aware of every single sound or movement. Then, I would also have very unrestful sleep. But I did not stop. However, I was about to learn my lesson. One night, I was in my bed watching these videos as usual, and just like always, I was getting spooked slowly. Then a set of glowing eyes appeared on my left side and I almost left the plane of existence. Then I heard purring and slowly I returned to the land of the living. That is when I realized that the glowing eyes belonged to my youngest cat, Ava. So not only did she send me past the veil, but also brought me back. I was very spooked, but I learned my lesson and stopped watching paranormal videos before bed and decided that I would only watch these videos in the morning. And a year later, I have kept that promise to myself. I also stopped watching true crime videos because my anxiety was spiking and I was also getting a little bit paranoid. Although these were very fun to watch, I decided that these were not good for me. After I stopped watching these videos, I did not have anxiety for no reason, which is great. After that, I was able to focus on more things as I was not anxious all the time. This made me realize that I was giving myself anxiety for no reason and I needed to stop. I started to watch art videos again. This change also made me realize that I had a few practices in my life that were a waste of time and came in the way of the things that I wanted to do. One of these things were 2 games, Love Nikki and Shining Nikki, which I loved to play as these were very fun games with great storylines and fantastic wardrobes. But I was getting obsessed with them, so I decided to delete them as well. It has been more than a year that I have not played these games, and I have been able to concentrate on better things. I now have a better routine, I get things done in time, and I'm not anxious all the time. So I think these were some positive changes. Another thing that I promised myself was that I would not post a new painting process until I have a decent voiceover for the video. And I kept that promise, but not in the way that I had expected because it took me almost 1 year to post a new video again. However, this video does have a voiceover, so it was not a total loss. These were some things that I stopped doing, and I think they helped me in having a better time, in creating a better environment for myself. What about you? Did you make any changes that you are proud of? If so, share them with everyone in the comments. I would love to read them. And leave a like if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe for the future videos, and I will see you next time. Bye.